Hello, I'm Emre. I'm with the Binance Global Affiliate Program. Today I will tell you about a campaign. In this campaign, when you create $200 in volume by trading TradeFi, which means tokenized stocks, you can win a SpaceX airdrop. That's your chance. Additionally, with your KYC verified account, by inviting friends to Binance Global and getting them to trade, you can benefit from certain advantages. Now I will show you how to do this. First, we need to open an account on Binance Global. I will also give you a referral code on the account opening page. This referral code offers you certain advantages and also supports my work. Let's move on to the video. Yes, guys. By trading $200 on Binance Global in volume, I will explain in this video how you can earn the SPCXB token. First of all, there is a referral code on this screen you see. This is my referral code. This referral code offers you the advantages specified below. You can get a 20% commission rebate and a 4% bonus plus a 10% commission rebate on leveraged transactions. You can use your email address or phone number when creating the account. Using your Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account, you can create an account. Now we have created our account. The first thing we need to do here is KYC verification. How do we complete KYC? You can use your driver's license, your national ID or driver license passport. You can apply with your residence card. SpaceXB token airdrop. You must complete KYC verification, guys. Yes, once you have verified your KYC, we need to deposit money because we need to enter a trade to create volume. First, we come to the deposit section here. It is the same on mobile phones and on the desktop, friends. We click on deposit. You can choose the currency of the country you are connected to from here. I will show it using the US dollar. Then click on Buy with USD. I click on the Buy with US dollar section. On the page that opens, you can use Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, GPay, and you can also select MasterCard from here. For instance, I selected Visa or MasterCard. For example, here, I entered $200 for $200. If I say Buy USDT with my credit card, I will have purchased it from here. You can do this by clicking the Sell section when selling. Now, how will we create volume? We bought our USDT. We bought our Tether. We click on Market from here. It is the same on mobile and on the desktop. When we click on Market, all tokens and tokenized stocks come here. From here, we select Trade Fee. After selecting it, as you can see here, stock Bs are listed. We need volume to win SpaceXB. How do we create it? I went to Tesla. I'm going to the trade page by clicking it. I had $200. Don't be scared by this screen. Red is sell, green is buy, friends. The current price you see is here. Now, I will buy and sell $200 worth of Tesla stock B now. I click here. I click on the first or second red. The price came here. I enter $200 here. When I click buy, it executes. When selling, I click on one of the first two rows from the greens here. For example, I wrote 0.5 here, and I said sell. Right now, I have made a $200 purchase. I have made a $200 sale in Tesla stock B, and I have created a volume. Just as you see here, in accordance with the relevant rules on the campaign page, here, my volume will start to appear soon after I trade. The steps are as you can see. It shows everything step by step. You can also earn extra rewards by inviting your friends. I am showing it here. As you can see, the rules. I will leave it in the link section under the article and the video. Yes, friends, Binance Global, as you can see, to make people's lives easier, does everything. By tokenizing American stocks, it delivers them to people faster, 24/7. It allows us to trade. Do not forget to visit Binance Global's Academy pages. I will also leave the campaign link below. Examine all the rules in detail. I already showed you how to trade. I also showed you how to create volume. My advice to you is this. When you enter a project, who is behind the project? Have they launched a project before? How did the crypto project they launched react in bull and bear markets? Did it hold up? Could it survive in the sector? Are there token unlocks? If so, how frequently? Is this done? Learn to analyze all this. If you visit the Binance Academy pages, what is FOMO, FUD? What should be considered in the blockchain sector? You can also learn these, friends. See you in another video. Regards, Emre.